At a high level, we can use Aaron Walter's hierarchy of user needs as a canvas to think about how we deliver great experiences. They need to be functional and reliable, usable, and pleasurable. And it's generally accepted that the best experiences deliver an expert balance across those characteristics. Now, we live in a world where there's no such thing as unlimited time and unlimited resources, so compromise is a very real and very healthy part of our delivery process. But this is where things start to get a little bit interesting. Smaller companies, those that were born digital if you like, and large corporate environments tend to make very, very different choices in the face of compromise. Small companies will sacrifice functionality to maintain quality. Simply put, they'll do less but do it to a high standard, whereas corporate environments will tend to do the exact opposite. They'll sacrifice usability and polish just to make sure they can get the agreed functionality out of the door. They consistently undervalue those higher order layers of the hierarchy of user needs. And while they're knowingly doing this, they aren't doing it with intent. It's actually a set of system conditions that tend to exist in large corporate environments that lead to destructive decision making like this. Imagine for a moment going to your CFO, cap in hand, asking for a bit more budget to make your experience more pleasurable. Both you and I know exactly how that conversation is going to go. But what they're failing to realize is that making compromises in this way results in a set of costs, both to the customer and also to the business. And these costs represent experience debt. Now, experience debt are the costs that you create when you knowingly make compromised experiences available to your customers without due care and consideration. So what do some of these costs look like? If we just consider the very top layer, pleasurability, if we make a compromise there, the cost to the customer is disappointment. It's not satisfying using something that isn't as polished as your favorite Apple website. And the business costs follow on intuitively. A customer that's disappointed by a perfunctory experience is less likely to choose you, pay more for you, and recommend you or stay loyal to you. And there are some hidden costs as well. Experience debt builds a gulf between what you're delivering and what your role model competitors are delivering. And your people know that they're not delivering their best work. And that creates a huge toll both on the culture of your organization, but also on the morale.